retired and loving it. Today, we're at the Harrison County Fair. I'm Terry.
And I'm Keith.
We brought our grandkids today to have some fun. Everything at the fair literally goes round and round and round. I used to love those kind of rides, but I can't take much of the round and round and round anymore.
I'm Mason. I'm Tan. He's actually my friend.
As a grandparent, we want to make memories with our grandkids. There's nothing better. The sights and sounds of the county fair from on top the Ferris wheel.
Okay.
I think you're being chased down there. Hi. Like the Ferris wheel?
The Ferris wheel was definitely our favorite. It was our first ride and our last. Then we come to the fun house. The kids literally did this over and over. And of course, they talked Grammy into going along. Will Grammy make it out without getting hurt? Time will tell. Let's go, guys. Oh boy. And here we go again. Whoa. Okay, Casey, come on. Come on, baby.
Good job. All right, we have to go through these.
Oh, goodness. And again. This was literally their favorite besides the Ferris wheel.
Okay. This is the we're stopped. Okay, here we go. Retired and loving it at Harrison County Fair. Okay, so go faster now.
Are you getting sick, Casey?
Well, it's a workout, isn't it? Whoa! Let's go this way, this way, this way. This way, this way. Yeah, this goes real fast.
they want to go faster and faster, while Grammy is over there deep breathing, trying not to get sick.
Faster, faster. Grammy's breathing.
So much for joining us at the Harrison County Fair. Our grandkids had a great time and they were tired. It was hot.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you would, press that subscribe button right over there. Give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends.
We'll see you next time on
Retired
Retired and Loving It.